I will never love somebody as much as I loved you again. But don't feel flattered when I say that. I don't want to love nobody like that. You would do anything to hurt me, and I would just take you right back. I wish I could take all my time and all my love back, because you didn't deserve that. Not from me. I loved you past all that pain you caused me. You would hurt me repeatedly, and you never not once said sorry. I wasn't worth one apology. Why did that love feel like it was a robbery? If I'm handing you my love, why was you robbing me? I was literally loving you with all of me. I was loving you when you was dogging me. But God been told me you didn't belong with me. I just never listened to him. I will never love somebody as much as I loved you again. You made me stop loving myself. In fact, I loved you more than I loved anyone else. You made me concerned with my mental health. And ain't no telling how long I'd be healing from that. Only time could tell. I will never love somebody as much as I loved you again. You broke me down on my knees. You stabbed me in my heart so many times it permanently bleeds. You took all my oxygen. Sometimes I felt like I couldn't breathe. You had me asking God, could he please help me? I will never love somebody as much as I loved you again. So much to the point where it feels like I would never love again. Because I'm scared of how much I loved you.